Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TSheets for accurate timesheets and tax documentation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the TSheets website in your preferred web browser. Look for the Get Started button and click on it to begin the sign-up process. Fill out the necessary information in the registration form, including your email address and desired password. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from TSheets. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into TSheets using your email and password. On the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting the main features. To install the TSheets mobile app, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for TSheets in the store's search bar. Download and install the app onto your device. Once installed, open the app and log in using your TSheets account credentials. To set up your timesheets, navigate to the Time Entries section in the dashboard. Click on Add Time to enter your working hours manually if needed. Alternatively, explore the Clock and Slash Out feature for real-time tracking. Set up employee profiles by going to the Teams section in the dashboard. Click on Add Employee to enter necessary details such as name and email. Invite your team members to join TSheets by sending them an email invitation. After your team members accept the invitation, they will be able to log into the system. To ensure accurate tax documentation, input your company's tax details under the Settings section. Complete any required fields regarding tax identification numbers and tax rates. Ensure that all employees enter their hours consistently for accurate reporting. Keep track of overtime and any special exemptions in the Reports section. Regularly review generated reports for compliance and accuracy. Set reminders for your team to submit their timesheets on time for payroll. Finally, sync your TSheets account with your accounting software if applicable. This ensures all timesheet data flows seamlessly into your tax documentation, making filing easier. Now you're ready to accurately track time and manage tax documents using TSheets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.